Tibet. Stop raining. G'day. That's cool. Border. We have a border.
Show me how to get them through.
Jumbo, everybody. Jumbo,
Twin day, that means let's go. Let's get out of here. Well, jump like there, folks. There's towards your canopy. Then if there's an animal spotting, one big game of hide and go seek. But we are off to a great start. Let's start. Helps them blend in really, really well. And with those striped legs, lots of people think that they're related to the zebra, but they're not. Ghost of the forest. They're called that just because they are. We are ready, twin day. That means let's go. Let's get out of here. Stop, take a glance above you up there towards your we might be finding. That's cool. You're seeing from our friends that you do. Great to see you again. No too surprised, they are never the same. The animals are the ones that always keep it fresh and new and exciting out there. So that's why we come back a few times. We're just waiting for our signal though. It should be coming through here within the next few moments. Right behind her. That's never fun. We'll wait just a few more seconds. Alright, it's out there on the right hand side, my friends. Way out there with the stripe discovered by the Western world till about 1901. And the striped legs is what helps them blend in really, really well. What the as well? We're in a traffic jam right now, though, my friend. Also, as you come along here, look out towards your right. You'll see all those trees. You kind of notice that there's really not much vegetation. Some in the caves, some all over here, further to the right, too, laying down out there in the dirt. Now, they're very social animals. They're also the most successful hunter out on the savanna. They're even more successful than the lion, the hyena, because the majority of the time the herd's constantly on the move. Maybe just has to adapt to that lifestyle very quickly. To the left, over on the left-hand side of the road, you can kind of see those large friends in the corner. You can see the alpha male out there. Way out there in the corner, so they're really pretty face. We're going to see the ladies might be over by the red clay pits. As you know, they like to eat the clay. Gives them the vitamins. Be the oldest, the wisest, and the largest. And then when she passes out 15 degrees. Also, they have the longest pregnancy out of any animal in the entire world. Elephants are pregnant for 22 months, so almost 2 years. When she gives birth to the baby, it does weigh pretty close to 300. Get excited? And then we have localization patterns. Right, we're gonna come out here towards the east side of the reserve, which is also white rhino territory. So I'm not able to find some white rhinos out here somewhere. No matter the efforts out that are being trying our very hardest to stop things like that. Look right here, you can see a beautiful group of white crawling around out here before. Retractable gives them a little extra traction when they run. Also,
Right here. Right here. Don't worry about it.